This tangle is called Heart of a Queen. I'm watching the funeral of Queen Elizabeth II and felt inspired to call it that. This begins with an orb in the center, and then I drew 3 curved lines over it, connecting them all to form a heart. And then I auraed some tethered lines in the center of each of the 3 sections, alternating them filled with color and inking them and not inking them. I did leave a little tiny square or some type of a shape to make it look a little shiny. Now I began this with brown ink. After I was done, I didn't really love it for the look I was going for, so I went over the whole thing again in black. I did ink this with stamping ink. Took a very long time. I did not record the stamping ink part. That you can kind of do on your own. So here is Heart of a Queen.